We think of the Black Hole MLC Cube as an expandable organizational system for life's traveling necessities. Part modular packing cube, part gear tote, it expands in carrying capacity thanks to a roll-top closure that accommodates your running clothes one trip and your bike repair kit another. If you're packing light, roll the top completely down and it becomes a perfect carry-all for personal gear. A separate bottom zip pocket keeps smaller items free from the main compartment, so they're easy to find. Sized to nest inside our MLC bags, the cube uses burly recycled fabrics in the body, lining, and webbing. It's also coated with the industry's first recycled TPU, which provides the same legendary black hole toughness and weather resistance, but with less waste. Corrosion-resistant hardware withstands humid environments, and a loop makes the cube easy to hang. Some people are born organizers. For the rest of us, there's the Black Hole MLC Cube.